Have you got a nice camera lying around that's just gathering dust? Maybe you put in a load of money just to get something that could really shoot those family shots just right, and you know, you've just left it on the shelf. Or maybe you got a really cool present, but you're just not sure how to get to grips with all those functions. What you need are one-to-one lessons. For example, you can learn how aperture, shutter speed and ISO all combine to form that image, that exposure, so you can just get it as you want it. Or maybe you want to work out how to freeze the action, those cars racing by, the kids running around the park, the software, what to do with the images after getting them from the camera onto your laptop, even onto your smartphone, and editing them, getting the best out of the file that you've took in your camera. Or if you're shooting film, big thumbs up if you're shooting film. We can show you how you can get to grips with that film to squeeze the most out of it. As you can probably guess by the accent, I'm based in Birmingham, but I travel around a lot, and we can also do this via Skype, FaceTime. You can book your private one-to-one lessons by the hour, £25 an hour, and that also includes a free personalized summary after the lesson, so you don't have to worry about sitting there scribbling away everything that we talk about. Of course you can take notes, but I'm going to send you a personalized summary afterwards. Usually it's best to block book 2, 3, 4 hours at a time, and then we can include some practical work at the same time. We can go out and shoot for the final hour, for example, or shoot, then come back, look at the images on the computer. We can do all that at a time and place convenient to you. If there's a larger group, we can accommodate that. We can actually give you a discount, so get in touch and let us know what you think. There's never a better time to get to grips with that camera that you've invested in or that you've received as an amazing present. So get in touch, leave a message, and we'll have a chat and get you booked in. You know, get that camera out of auto.